Okay, guys, welcome again.
Well, good morning,
How do you
mister.
feel? How do you feel right now? How do you feel? Do you feel happy? Do you feel sad?
Ah,
Angry? How do you feel?
sleepy. I feel sleepy.
Sleepy. Why?
Because I'm
No,
sleepy,
mister,
because
I
I
am
finished.
happy.
No, you were resting. You were resting right now.
No,
So
mister, I was doing the
you should
game.
you should feel better, happy.
No, mister, I was doing the game when it finished
I am
already.
happy, mister.
Yes, you should feel happy. So guys, let's start then with grammar class. So I need you to pay attention, right? Do you remember that? Okay, the review for today is subject and object pronoun. Do you remember that topic? Guys, do you remember that topic? Subject and object pronoun? Oh, what is a subject and what is an object
Yes,
pronoun?
mister,
What's
a
that?
subject, but a subject are the person or when they do the action in the sentence.
Yes, that's the person who does the action. Good job, Angela. And what is the subject, the object pronouns?
The object pronouns is
Okay, I actually I have the two parts, right? I have the part that is the subject pronoun, that is who does the action, right? In the other part, what do you think it is? Is the person what?
that that is in the sentence.
Who? If I do the action, what happened? The other
You
part. Hillary? If someone does the action, what happened with the other person? Is the other person doing the action as well?
no
What happened with that person then?
it is not there.
Acompaña, lo acompañan.
Lo acompaña.
Mm,
Y that it
okay. If I do the action, like for example, right now I'm teaching to you. I'm teaching you. Yes. Which is the action that I am doing? Which is the action?
Teaching.
Teaching, right? I'm teaching. So, and who is doing the action?
The mister.
Uh-huh.
You, the mister,
And then, who receives the action?
the students.
The
The
student.
person.
So, which is the other part then? If I do the action, the other
Por
part is,
eso, los que acompañan al
and then
sustantivo.
the other part receives the action, right? So, subject pronoun, the action, and object pronoun receives the action. Yes?
Mister.
Tell me.
The action you are doing now is and teaching.
Okay, so guys, here I have some examples that I need to show you, right, about subject and object pronouns. Actually, these are some rules. I don't know if you can see. Can you see here?
yes
Yes? How
Yes.
many rules we have?
four
How many rules we have?
Four.
4 rules, right? These are the essential rule that we use when we are using, right, subject and object pronouns. Yes? Okay then. So, rule number 1. I'm gonna ask Glenis, could you please read rule number 1?
subject pronouns are used as the subject of the sentence.
Yes, of course. When we are using subject pronouns, are the subject that the common one that we know, right? That is I, you, right? He, she, it, yes, we, you, and they, right? That are the ones that we have in this chart. Yes? And as you can see, here we have the verb, and before the verb, right, we have the subject. Yes? First we have the subject, and then we have the verb. Yes? And then continue. Number 2, let's see, Leticia, number 2.
Okay. Subject pronouns are used after linking verbs.
Okay, after linking verbs. And which is the linking verbs in this example? Is, right?
Is, she.
Yes, and then we have the subject. Yes. Number 3, Baden, please.
Object pronouns are used after action verbs.
Okay, so
Example,
which is the difference?
the boss left her.
Yes, which is the difference? And the first 2 rules, they are talking about subject pronouns, and now 3 and 4 are talking about object pronouns, right? And then it says that object pronoun goes right after action verbs. Yes.
Yeah.
And then here we have the boss left her. And in these subject pronouns, which one are that we have? Me, you,
You,
him,
he,
her,
her,
it,
it,
us,
us,
you,
them.
and them, right? So now let's compare. Listen, let's compare rule number 1 and rule number 3. And think about it and tell me which is the difference between these 2 rules. Number 1 and number 3. Read number 1 and read number 3 and tell me which is the difference between them.
That the pronoun in number 1 says that the pronouns are in the sentence, are used as a subject.
Okay, Beran, please read and analyze because you are reading what we have here. But I need you to think about it. Andrea Larissa, you raise your hand, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Andrea, tell me.
The subject pronouns go before the action verb, and the
Yes,
object pronouns is after the action
after the verb. This is the difference because the subject pronoun we have first, right? After action verb. And the object pronoun we have it before, sorry, after action verb. And the subject pronoun before. Yes? And then Brisa, the last one, please.
Object pronouns are used after a preposition.
Okay, we are gonna use a object pronoun, right? After a preposition. Yes, here we have the preposition that is after. Yes. So now, guys, are you clear so far?
verb.
Are you clear so far, guys?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. I'm gonna show you another example, right? I don't know if you can see. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, guys. So then here we have, right, which are the subject and the object pronouns. Yes. And this picture also tell us where we're gonna place, right, subject and object pronouns. In the subjects, we have I, you, he, she, it, we, and they, right? And then it says that we have to add a verb after, right, the subject pronoun. And then we have the object pronouns, right, that we have me, that is the same to say I, right? You, him, that we are gonna use him with he, right? With she, we're gonna use her. With it, we're gonna use the same, that is it. With the subject we, we're gonna use us. And with they, we're gonna use them. And here we have the other way around. Because here we are gonna use the verb first and then the object pronoun. Yes? Are you clear, guys, so far? Yes. Okay, so all together, right? Sorry, we're gonna solve a worksheet right now. So I need you to pay attention to this. Yes? Okay, here we have the worksheet that we are gonna use right now. And then what we're gonna do here. First, right, we have here the, sorry. Here we have, guys, here we have the worksheet, right? And then in this chart, right? I don't know if you can see this chart. Yes?
Yes.
We're gonna use I, you, he, she, it, we, or me, you, him, her, it, us, according the case, right? And then we have 18. So it means that, okay, 17 actually, because we have the first one solved. It means that everyone can read one of the sentence, right? And answer it. Yes? So let's pay attention and we will start with Diego Amador. Yes? So Diego Amador, could you please read number one? Number two, sorry. And then tell me.
My friend, I have money, can go
My friend, could you
shopping.
please read again?
My friend, I have money, can go shopping.
Okay, Diego Miguel, please, you have to respect the dot that we have here. And also you have to read making pause, right? Right? So could you please read again slowly? Diego?
My friend and I have money.
My friend and I
My friend and I have
have
money,
money. Okay?
can go shopping.
Yes, which is the subject or the object pronoun that we are gonna use here.
I know.
I know.
No, Diego Amador. We're talking with Diego Amador, right? You know the answer, Diego? Diego?
Will.
Will? Will, Diego? We're not talking about tenses.
Mister,
Are
I
you
know.
paying attention to the class?
Yes.
Okay, so if we're talking about my friend and I, yes, which do you think is the subject that we are gonna use here? My friend and I. These two people make
Mister,
reference to the pronoun. Which pronoun? Diego,
I know.
no?
I know, Mister. Mister.
Diego, listen. Make it easier to Diego, right? Which pronoun would you use instead of my friend and I? Instead of my friend and I, which pronoun would you use?
Mister, make it say.
Diego, which pronoun would you use instead of my friend and I?
Him.
Him?
No, they are talking of two persons.
Please don't nod your microphones. I'm talking with Diego. Listen, Diego. Pay attention, Diego. Here we have, Diego, the subject and the object pronouns. Yes? I, right? We have I, you, he, she, it, we, and they, right? And in the object pronoun, we have me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Yes, Diego? So, in this case, number 2, we're talking about my friend and I. Yes? So, tell me, Diego, which pronoun of these ones that we have here, would you use instead of my friend and I? ¿Cuál usaría usted? ¿O con cuál de estos pronombres que tiene aquí reemplazaría my friend and I?
My friend and
With I, Diego Amador? With you, with he, with she, with it, with we, with they. Which one, Diego?
and the mister say the answer.
Diego? Hurry up, Diego. That's why you have to pay attention to the class. Gustavo, help Diego, please. Gustavo?
Huh?
Could you please help Diego?
Mister, I think that I will use he.
Which one? Could you repeat again
He.
because we can hear you?
He.
He?
Mister, I know.
Gustavo, pay attention también, Gustavo.
Mister, I know.
Please, help them, please.
We,
because my friend is a person and I is another person. Yes? So we have we, nosotros. Yes? Yes, Diego? Gustavo? Did you understand? Gustavo? Are you clear now, Gustavo?
Yes.
And Diego as well? Okay, so we, right? Number 3, let's listen to Andrea Larissa.
Robert and Mark are late. So hurry.
Could you please read again because we can hear you.
Robert and Mark are late. Should hurry.
Aha. Robert and Mark, are late. Hmm?
They
They,
should
yes,
hurry.
of course, they. Sorry, here we have we, right? And here we have,
Mister, I have a question.
tell me.
The sentence number 10 don't have sense
No. Wait, wait.
because there says spiders have 8 legs and we also have many eyes.
No, yes, we have. Let's
No,
wait.
Mister, but not 8.
Let's, okay, this one, you are gonna answer this number 10, Miguel. So let's think in that.
Okay.
Okay, here we have Robert and Mark. They, right? Okay, good job. Beiran, number 4.
She gave a birthday gift. I really like it.
Okay, so
Me.
she gave me. Yes, of course. Good job, Beiran. Let's listen with number 5, Glynis. Number 5, Glynis.
Elephants are very big, so eat a lot of food.
Eat.
No, Mister, because I don't set the answer.
Okay, so tell the answer.
Okay.
Elephant. They. Yes, of course, because this word is in plural, right? Elephants. They are talking about 2 or more. Yes, that's why we have they. Number 6, Hillary, please.
My brother is studying because has a test tomorrow.
Okay, so my brother is studying because has a test tomorrow. Which one would you use?
My brother is studying because
Mr. May can say,
No, Hillary. Hillary? Which one? If you are talking about your brother, my brother,
They?
they, my
No.
brother. It is just one person. Hillary? It is just one person, Hillary.
He.
Yes, he. Because we are gonna use he, right? In some occasions. Yes, okay, now, who's the next one? Let's see. Drisa, number 7.
Do you feel okay? Can I help you?
Yes, of course, you. Good job, Drisa. Now let's listen to Angeles, number 8.
My new neighbors are very friendly. I really like
I really
them.
liked.
I really like them.
Okay, good job. Excellent. So, number 9, Gustavo. Number 9, Gustavo. Number 9. Gustavo? It's Gustavo here or not?
Yes, Mister.
Hey, Gustavo, hurry
Tell
up.
me that word that we have.
Number 9, Gustavo. Read number
Yes.
9.
Is it?
Sorry?
It.
It. But you have to read, Gustavo, the complete sentence.
I need to find my book. Where did you put it?
Yes, of course. Put it, right? Because we're talking about a book. And book is a thing. And we think we're going to use it. Okay, so Andrea Monserrat, Miguel Ávila, number 10. Hurry up, Miguel Ávila. Is Miguel Ávila here or not? Okay, then Christian Menjivar, number 10, Christian.
Spiders have 8 legs and they also have many eyes.
Yes, of course, spiders. So Miguel Ávila was asking, right? Or he was saying that, okay, let's wait for him. Miguel Ávila? Wait, guys, let's listen. Miguel Ávila, are you here?
Tengo problemas con la máquina, no puedo habilitar la cámara. Tal de que reciban el enlace, no hay problema.
Tiene la cámara en negro.
Yes, but Miguel Ávila, can you hear me, Miguel Ávila?
Sí, mister, sí lo escucho, pero la cámara sí la tengo prendida y me aparece en negro.
Okay, probably you have problems with your camera. But I need you to read number 10.
Spiders have 8 legs and also have many eyes.
Hey, which is the pronoun that we have to use here?
I think that is we, mister.
And we also have many eyes. Okay, if they start talking about spiders, do you think that they have to talk about us as well? They must continue talking about spiders, right?
Them, mister.
And then also have many eyes. Okay, listen, here we have spider. No, Miguel Ávila, listen, here we have spider. Yes?
Is they?
Yes, we know that it's they, but I need to explain you to Miguel Ávila something. So Miguel Ávila, here we have spiders, yes? Do we have this word in plural or in singular form? We're talking about the
Plural.
plural, right? We're talking about many spiders. Yeah? So, spiders have a legs. And instead of spiders, which pronoun would you use? Of these ones. It, when we're talking it, we're talking about just one. So we have to use
They.
they. Yes. And they also have many eyes. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Gabriel, number 11. Hurry up.
I'm busy right now. Could you please call after an hour?
Well, which one would you use? Subject or object pronoun? I am busy. So, I am. Instead of I am, which one we use? Christian and him? Sorry, Gabriel.
Them?
Then, if you are talking I, do you think that it is them?
Mister, I know.
Yes, but I need Gabriel to answer this question. Gabriel, pay attention, Gabriel. If we are talking about I, right? So, which object pronoun we use with I? Gabriel? Which object pronoun we use with I? Here you have lineup.
Me.
This one, me. Yes, of course, me. Let's listen to Carlos Trujillo. Is Carlos Trujillo here? Carlos Trujillo, number 12, please. Carlos? Carlos, please. Hurry up because we don't have time. Number 12.
They?
Okay, but you have to read the complete sentence.
He gave me the box, but they lost it.
Okay, he gave me the box, but lost it. Which one do you think is the subject that we have to use here?
I know, Mister.
Okay, Miguel Avila, tell me which.
I think that is he.
No, he gave me the box, right? I already have the box, but.
I, Mister, please, please, please.
Okay, tell the answer.
I think that is I lose it.
I lost it. Yes, of course, but I lost it. Okay, Leticia, number 13. Hurry up.
We gave him the money and he gave me the candy.
Yes, of course. We gave him the money and he gave, no. If we're talking about we, which is the object pronoun here? We gave him the money and he gave
me.
No.
Mister, I know.
Andrea Larissa?
Us.
Yes, he gave us the candy. Yes, good job. So who is missing? Who is missing? Andrea Monserrat, 14.
I almost never eat junk food because
We're talking about here junk food. Because which is the verb we use with food? He, she, what? Andrea?
Because the junk food is
Now, instead of junk food, which is the pronoun that we use?
Mister, I know.
Which is the pronoun that we use, Andrea Monserrat? This one. I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
because he isn't healthy.
He? So,
Mister, I know.
wait. Please, turn off your microphone. Andrea Monserrat, please. Junk food. So you mean that junk food is a man?
Mister, I know.
You have your microphone, so just Andrea Monserrat is answering. Hurry up, Andrea, because we don't have time. ¿Eh? ¿Otro nombre usaría usted en vez de comida? Ok, Andrea. ¿A qué se refiere el pronombre I?
Yo,
You,
tú,
he,
él,
she,
ella.
it,
Eso.
And then, which one would you use with comida, with food?
Eat.
Oh, eat. It isn't healthy, right? So